This week on Communications Transformed.
I think the best ideas come from the people working with the products and the projects every day. I think it's generally interesting to develop a model where communication bottom up is available and possible, and that will give you, as an innovation officer, that will give you a lot of information around what could be an interesting next step or transformation, real transformation to your product. And so I think that once you have that, then it becomes interesting to do with the technologies that we have available today and methodologies of developing those technologies. Then it becomes available or rapidly available to do small POCs or proof of concepts. And so with that, I believe, and I've seen how, small working, not even MVPs, but just even a much smaller piece of value that is already working, when that is shown to the different business units, it tends to carry a lot of weight.